All right, let me start by walking you through on how to install the 7-zip program. Okay, first is get to this website 7-zip.org. All right, once you land here, you will see different files, program files for different types of PCs. So here we are using Windows. So if your window runs 64 bits, you click here, okay, for it to be downloaded into your PC, which after that we start with the installation. All right. So let's get back to the download so that I'll show you this file. All right, look at the program, the application program we just downloaded now, 7zip 501 times 64 bits because my PC runs 64 bits. So double click on this program. A notification will show up on your Windows 11 asking if you want this program to make changes to your PC. Accept that. All right, once you accept that, follow the on-screen guide and get it installed. Okay, then after that, let's now talk about how to extract files with it. Look at this file, it's a zip file and I want to extract it with this program. So click on the file first, the zip file first for it to be selected. Then right click on it after clicking and then select show more options. All right. On going with show more options, you will see zip 7-zip will be on the list. So click on it. On clicking on it, you will see open archive, we see open archive and a lot of information here. But our interest here is to extract this file. So click on extract files. Okay. Now you will have this show up here telling you to choose a location where you want that to be extracted into. So let me click here and save it in the documents folder. So I'll click on documents and click on OK. All right. Then look at the name, the folder will be here and other information, but those ones are not necessary. So click on OK. So once you click on OK, this file will be extracted into the new folder. It's not going to be in zip files again. And if you remember, we selected documents. So click on documents. And now let's locate the file. Look at it here. So if I double click on this file now, you can see the contents as easy as that.